So hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is Jobair Mahmud, a certified data-driven digital marketing expert having 5 years of experience in local market and various kind of marketplace. In this YouTube channel, you will get video from business, my entrepreneurial journey, data-driven digital marketing video, Google ad, set up Google ad remarketing campaign, Google Analytics, Facebook ad setup, Facebook Pixel setup, Facebook Conversion API setup, Facebook server-side tracking, fix iOS 14 issue, Google Ads conversion tracking setup, YouTube ad, Google Analytics, e-commerce tracking setup, and advanced tracking video, and many more. So this channel will be helpful for you, and hopefully you will get more valuable content from this channel. So subscribe my channel for more informative video. Thank you for your time. Happy watching.